10 key areas where IoTs and ChatGPT can work together. 1. IoT devices can generate large amounts of data that can be analyzed using language models like GPT-3 to gain insights and make predictions. 2. GPT-3 can be used to natural language processing, NLP, tasks on the data generated by IoT devices, such as sentiment analysis and intent recognition. 3. GPT-3 can be integrated with IoT devices to provide a more natural and user-friendly interface for interacting with the devices. 4. GPT-3 can be used to generate natural language commands for controlling IoT devices. 5. GPT-3 can be used to generate human-like responses for chatbots that interact with IoT devices. 6. GPT-3 can be used to generate natural language explanations for the actions and decisions made by IoT devices. 7. GPT-3 can be used to generate natural language alerts and notifications for IoT devices. 8. GPT-3 can be used to generate natural language summaries of the data collected by IoT devices. 9. GPT-3 can be used to generate natural language reports and visualizations of the data collected by IoT devices. 10. GPT-3 can be used to generate natural language instructions for using and maintaining IoT devices.